Hey guys, how's it going? How to bring back the status vertical style in WhatsApp latest update. So basically, if you haven't gotten the newest update from WhatsApp, just go ahead to your App Store or Google Play, and what you're gonna do, you're gonna just click on your avatar icon at the top right, click on the apps, and just basically tap WhatsApp and double check if the app needs to be updated. If it does, just go ahead and do it. And if it doesn't, just move along to the next step. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just open up the WhatsApp. And as you can see right here, if we click the updates at the below left corner, you're gonna see all the channels that I have subscribed to, right? So in order to bring back the vertical size, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead to the channels right here and click the three dots at the top right and just click on follow the channel basically, and simply go back and click the three dots again at the top right and unfollow the channel. And as you can see, after you unfollow, you're gonna be able to see the vertical size on to your WhatsApp. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.